Goan trawler owners are upset that their export trucks are being stopped at Karwar. On Friday, they garroted FDA officials and gave a last warning to the health minister to solve this issue or they would create havoc in the state. Here's the story.
The agency destroyed fish brought in from Karwar as those fish sellers had no license to sell in the market. In retaliation, Goan fish carrying trucks were stopped and their tires deflated at Karwar. This brought traders and trawler owners to the FDA door. They say that they have trawlers full of fish which is rotting. Trawlers are subsidized by the government to more than 100 crore rupees, but our local markets have no fish and Goans are forced to pay exorbitant amounts in the local markets.
The government is insensitive. आम्ही एक महिना झाला भावता आता याच्या फाटल्यान कांयच हाजेर करना उपाय कांयच करना फक्त आमकां हॅरेसमेंट जाला आता फुडें हे जर सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार आमी सगळे आज आयल्या ते आमी फक्त पणजेचेच आयल्या आता फाल्यांच्यान आमी ऑल गोवा आपयतल्यान अख्खे सगळे पॅरलायज करतले हाजेर तोडगो काडून जाल्यार विश्वजीत राणांक आता लास्ट वॉर्निंग दिता आमी सगळे पणजेचे बोटकार एफडीएन आयल्या अशी जाल्या परिस्थिती की एफडीएचो कारवारच्या लोकांक हॅरेसमेंट एक्स्ट्रीम जाला तांचे पयर बरें नुस्तें काडलां आनी कचऱ्यान उडयलां बोटींतलें नुस्तें काडूंक मेळना आतां कुसतलें तें फाल्यां नुस्तें आमकां दर्यान उडोवचें पडटलें म्हणून आमी सगळे एफडीएन आयले आतां मागपाक की कितें तरी हाजेर तोडगो काडा आनी आमकां हें करा कितें पण आसोंक जाय न्हू पंचानाम करूना ते नुस्त्याचो बरें नुस्तें रिसवण खोल्ले उडयला भायर उडयला तर आमकां कळोंक जाय न्हू कधी कितें बसत ते काय खबर ना ते
On the other side, the health minister said that the fish was destroyed by the FDA as the fisher folks did not have the license to sell fish in the wholesale market. He says he will consider the woes of fishermen till 60 kilometers from Goan border, but says that all have to comply with rules.
This is a reference to your fishermen, the fishermen who have come outside the FDA for confiscation. They have no wholesale license permission, so they cannot sell the fish in the wholesale market. We are very clear of the rules and regulations of the FDA. We are going to stand up to the guidelines that are being framed by the FDA and the Food Safety Act. We have made a very categorical statement that as far as the 60 kilometers radius is concerned for Maharashtra and Karnataka, we are finding a way out. We have not yet come out with a final solution because there are many traders who in the guise of the small fishermen may try to enter the state of Goa, and we need to be very careful. However much pressure has been put, and also I would like to make a mention that similar to what we are talking about the guidelines and the conditions that we have put for the traders that are bringing fish from outside the state of Goa, similar conditions will also apply to the fish the traders from Goa who are taking fish outside the state of Goa. If we are making mandatory for people from outside to follow certain guidelines, this will also be mandatory to people who are exporting fish outside the state of Goa. Law is equal for everybody, and by just coming and abusing the office in the FDA is not going to help. I am not going to bend down. I have not yet come out with a concrete solution. Unless I come out with a concrete solution, there is no question of me bending down. The fish that was destroyed was without permission as per the FDA guidelines, and whatever fish we find is without FDA guidelines will be taken and destroyed. That is a final decision as far as I am concerned.
Our video journalist Yashwant Parab from Bamboli.